In this video we will guide how to set up and configure the SIP provider in ICTPbx. First, log into ICTPbx portal as an admin only by entering the email and password. Select the main menu routing and then click on the sub-menu providers/trunks. Click on the Add Provider button and you will be redirected to the Add Provider page. Enter the provider name and select the gateway type. Enable the Support Fax checkbox to enable the fax support through this trunk. Enter the SIP username and password provided by your provider. Enter the SIP hostname/domain and SIP port. Enter the from user and from domain if required by your provider. Enter the register proxy and outbound caller ID from the Advanced tab if needed. Enter the prefix in the General tab if your trunk require the prefix at the start of number. After entering all the required information, click on Submit button to save the provider.